Okay, in this example problem, I want to find the area of a regular pentagon with radius 9 meters. So when we draw the radius, remember the radius is from the center to a vertex, and that is 9 meters. We're going to follow the same formula. Area is equal to 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So I need to find the perimeter, and I need to find the apothem. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what this angle measure is right here. All right, if I would do that all the way around the circle, I'd have 5 of these sectors. So I'm going to take 360 divided by 5 and find out that angle measures 72 degrees. When I draw my apothem here, it bisects this isosceles triangle and it's perpendicular to the side. So it makes this angle 36 and this one 36. I need to find the apothem, so I'm going to call this A. So the first thing I'm going to do, this is not a 30, 60, 90 triangle or any special triangle, so we're going to have to use trigonometry to do this. So in this triangle I'm looking at right here, I have this angle. I want to find the adjacent leg, and I know the hypotenuse. So adjacent hypotenuse is cosine. So I'm going to use cosine of 36 is equal to adjacent leg A over 9. So when I calculate this on the calculator, cosine of 36 times 9 is going to equal A. So I got to take that 9 and multiply it. So when I do that, A comes out to be 7.281. I'm just going to leave that rounded to the thousandths for accuracy purposes. So there's my apothem. So to find this, I'm going to call this B, and this side of the triangle is half of this side, so I need to find the perimeter. So I can find this in this triangle. This is the opposite leg, and that's the hypotenuse, so that's sine. So I'm going to use the sine of 36 is equal to B over 9. So when I calculate that, sine of 36, multiply that 9 by it, I would get B is equal to 5.29. So that distance is 5.29. To find this entire side length, I'm going to multiply it by 2, and that would give me a 10.58. So this side is 10.58. And to find the perimeter, I'm going to multiply this by, I've got 5 sides, so times 5. So my perimeter is equal to 52.9. So when I put this together, area is equal to 1/2. The apothem is that 7.281 number times the perimeter is this 52.9 number. When I calculate that, half times 7.281 times 52.9, I get 192.6 meters squared.